This is a clarification press briefing regarding the matter of former Omada called Roland Omo Eko Ogbebo, who was discharged in November 2018. As a background, the Benin Traditional Council earlier announced the suspension of Roland from the palace. However, it seems that the palace announcement has not gone far and wide enough to the nooks and corners of the kingdom. It seems as if many communities are not aware of the announcement of the suspension of Roland. Hence, it became imperative to convene this press briefing. Therefore, the Benin Traditional Council would like to state emphatically that there had been several verbal and written reports bordering on land grabbing and other fraudulent activities, including extortion by Roland. Benin Traditional Council has reports that Roland allegedly gave express directives for Enogie, Ohe, and Okao to be installed, giving a false impression that they were directives from the Oba. The general public is informed that the permission for Enogie, Odionwe, Ohe, and Okao to be installed is given directly by the Oba of Benin, with the chiefs, palace functionaries, and members of the relevant community present in a small ceremony in the palace of the Oba of Benin. The Ohe and Okao involved must present themselves in the palace if they are innocent and pray to be exonerated. Furthermore, Roland paraded himself as deputizing for palace authority, to the extent of being addressed in an abominable manner as the second in command to His Royal Majesty. This is sacrilege and an abomination, punishable by customary laws of our tradition. This manner of address is tantamount to equating himself to the God King. Ovien Taba, Ovien Zowoba, Agwoba Takme, Ovien Dioba. For the benefit of those that do not understand, it is stated below. Ovien Taba means a subject does not imitate the king. Ovien Zowoba, a subject does not toe the footsteps of the king. Agwoba Takme, no one engages in rivalry with the king. Ovien Dioba, a subject cannot be crowned an Oba. In any case, the ongoing overhauling of the palace administrative system should put an end to all this. In view of this litany of abominable acts, Roland Omo Eko Ogbebo is hereby banned from palace traditional and spiritual activities. For the avoidance of doubt, the ban is extended to his participation at all Oba Palace traditional establishments and functions, including spiritual groups, activities, festivals, shrines, and Ogwedion in Benin Kingdom. Finally, any person or village or community that has issue with Roland, especially on land grabbing, extortion, intimidation, impersonation, and fraud, is strongly advised to send his written complaints to the Secretary Benin Traditional Council or the police or the Department of State Services and Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, copying Benin Traditional Council. Oba Atokwe.